Have you or someone you know been dreaming about retiring and looking for affordable living options but don't think they exist in Orange County, California? Well, think again. Today we're touring my newest listing in Leisure World Seal Beach. This might just be the most affordable beach close living in all of Southern California. Stepping inside this spacious 2-bedroom unit, you'll notice that it has been recently renovated and includes several highly desired upgrades throughout. It has been freshly painted and has brand new flooring. And to truly enjoy California living at its finest, there is an extra large tiled open-air patio. This unit includes central heat and air conditioning and 2 openable skylights, plus a built-in dishwasher. All are highly sought-after upgrades in this community. Living inside Leisure World Seal Beach gives residents an affordable retirement option with access to many on-site amenities. These include a community health center, performing arts center, golf course, bocce ball, RV parking, post office, library, and access to over 200 clubs and religious centers. Buying in Leisure World requires the approval of a unique set of qualifications to become a resident owner. So if you are interested for yourself or someone else close to you, please reach out today to explore more and set up a tour.